cool? Like, just look at around the tree.
It's crazy.
It's really cool.
What, you see the lightning in the background like that we saw that one time?
Yeah, no, it's bigger than that. Just watch. And it's coming towards us, so.
Cool.
Okay.
It's already over us, John.
Ooh, I don't think the camera
Actually,
caught
that was
that.
the light reflecting off of every single cloud, which is just this one big cloud. It's all over us.
Well, that's cool.
Yeah, it's lighting up the entire sky.
Okay.
Oh, now it's raining. You can hear the raindrops hitting everywhere.
I don't think my camera's picking all this up.
Like that. It might, buddy, it will.
Okay, no, because I heard one ring of thunder, and that was it.
Yeah.
And since then, it's been lightning.
Well, they were mad.
Yeah, hey.
Whew, then my camera picked that one up.
Yeah, you know why we can see this lightning every time lightning strikes right now?
Why?
Because it's reflecting off all the clouds.
Okay.
Normally when you see just like a bolt, like you can tell when it's a bolt. This is just light. That's because it's so cloudy. See, the thing is, Julian, if we saw the actual bolts, we'd hear a every single time. Lightning wouldn't be going...
Whoa! Whoa!
The lightning wouldn't be going this fast if it was just,
That wasn't... my camera's picking it up now.
Thunder?
It's getting even stronger.
Yeah,
What's that?
Brighter.
How long it takes
Count.
when you broke your head? That's how much longer it takes.
This
This is what people would call a thunderstorm because you could see the light every time it happens. Oh, and it's stronger now.
Oh, here we go. We're going forward!
Like...
Oh man, this is not
It's coming quicker, that's why.
intended for my
Yeah, it's a
channel.
thunderstorm. This is what a thunderstorm is.
This one's so tall about thunder.
Oh, I'm feeling a little wind.
I can see them.
I want my camera to get wet.
That last bolt we saw came from over there.
Did you guys just hear that?
No? You can see the light.
Oh, my camera didn't pick it up because I was cleaning it.
Keep looking, man. Here, I'm gonna get my camera.
PS Vita?
Yep.
Okay, that. Yeah, it is. Oh my god. Oh. You know,
Just look at random.
I just smacked your chin with my Okay. Ooh.
Oh, you're not picking it up.
Yes, because I'm not close enough. Oh my god, do you see the rain?
Yes.
It's actually coming down now.
It was for 5 seconds. It said downpouring.
What?
It said downpouring within seconds.
Ooh.
Oh, my camera caught that one. And seriously, pins and needles.
I actually don't mind.
You don't mind stepping in that cold rain?
Just flipping front.
No, the video's getting a little long. I don't care.
He's a vlogger now, supposedly.
My dad just smacked my arm.
Close that door and lock it.
What? We're still videoing.
He said when we come in, dumbass.
Yeah, definitely. So wait, do you think there's like a crazy storm about to come?
Only for Jack.
No. Yeah. You have to wait for him. And then he'll just get mad.
The rain came quick.
Yeah.
Did you post your video on YouTube yet?
Yeah, I actually posted a couple. I actually posted like 3 or 4. You wanna see them after we go inside?
What's one of them called?
I know, I'll show you them. That was really bright.
What are they called?
I'll just show you them because they're right there.
Tell me the name.
Okay, one is Broken Bones 2.
Okay.
Gameplay Roblox. Okay, I'm gonna end the video here.
Okay.